These birds getting it in. Let me tell you, man. I'm about to call the police. I've been having things broken into around here. You know, this morning my garage was up. And I tell you, man, I think it's because of these birds, man. I think they've been breaking into my things. You know, here I am trying to get ahead slightly. And then what I got to deal with? I got to deal with some birds, man. Trying to break into my stuff. You know? It's crooked birds, man. Look at that. Another one flying in, man. These birds are crooks, bro. I think that's, yeah, here comes another one, man. I think that's who broke in my garage. Stole my stuff. You know? Can't have nothing, man. It's always some crooks around here, some gangs. Just taking over territory. These birds, man. Look at this Humpty Dumpty looking bird coming. He don't have no respect. Those birds say it's feeding time, man. These bird gangs, man, they're really dangerous. Be very afraid. Look at that one. Hey, man, look at these birds, man. Freaking birds, man. Crooked birds. I tell you. That car cleared them out. They ain't scared of nothing else. Breaking into people's property. Ravaging around. You know? Look at this. Look at these birds, man, just flying in, getting meals and flying off. I like their style. Kind of reminds me of Thanksgiving and Christmas. Just fly in and fly out, man. Get your food and keep it moving. What a life, man. What a life. But I tell you, I believe this is who broke in my garage, man. Can't have anything these days, man. They're coming to get it. And bird gangs. Look at that. Freaking bird gang. Oh well, old man Joe is gonna call the police, so I better get off my phone.